All right, hey everyone, Gratuitous from itsgratuitous.com. If you want to learn to make professional beats, you guys can visit me at itsgratuitous.com. In this video, I want to talk to you about a really essential component of my home studio. This is just a little computer maintenance kit kind of thing. It is very, very powerful. I'll bring this out in just a moment as well, because I use this in conjunction with this, and for the most part, don't need really anything else in the studio. This is not like the best little parts tray, but what I want to explain is when we are in the studio as producers, there's some times where you have to use different screwdrivers, for example, to get into your computer, or various just little things like that. Okay, so I'll just quickly break this down. If you are interested, I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. So the first thing is that this is screwdriver. You got all your different bits here. So I'll bring it closer. So you got tons of little bits there for your screwdriver. Very, very, fast workflow. You got yourself a nice, adjustable wrench if you ever need that. I don't think I've ever actually, sometimes I used it for like prying or something. Again, it's just a little cheap kit that I have around here. Again, I was an electrician for many years in Canada, so I do have a lot of other tools. So when it comes to like drilling and stuff like that, but for the most part, this has just been a really, really useful tool. Okay, have needle nose pliers. Sometimes got to grab stuff. It's come in handy. And you also have cutters right there, right? To cut. You also have a little bit of a socket wrench with an extension on here. So sometimes if it's too hard to get out with your finger, sometimes you can use a tool and you can just kind of lift it out. It's a cool little trick. And so, even has different sockets and stuff. And I just want to talk to you about these here to the side. I'll put this away. So these are just really, really nice different screwdrivers. I'll get one that I actually use. That one's kind of like a Torx one. So here is kind of like a little flathead. So sometimes these are handy if you have to get into somewhere or even just to clean stuff. This has been super, super handy. So small. There you go. Right. And it's also like the nice little rotate. So I just hold this right here and it's free to rotate. So that's it. Really, really quick video. If you have a little home studio, I would highly look into like a little kit like this. I just got it as a gift one time and it's just always been around and I've used it so many times. It's just really, really small, really compact. Just kind of lock it and it slides in somewhere. And then whenever you want to use it, you're good to go. Okay. I'll just quickly also share that I have just one of these little pick quicks. And then again, you can just take out the bit and you can do this. Sometimes this is nicer to use in certain situations. You get a little bit more grip as well as a little bit longer reach. So in conjunction there, this little kit, that's what I use in my home studio. Again, I do have other tools that I'll use for more specialty things, but for just a lot of common stuff, this has been phenomenal. And one time I installed like a card in my computer, a PCI card, and it came with one of these screwdrivers. So I just throw it right in there and it allows me to close it nice and easy still. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll leave the links in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed. And this is a little cool workflow tip I just want to pass on to you. Again, visit me over at itsgratuitous.com if you want to learn to make professional beats, all based on FL Studio. It's learning piano as a producer, learning custom drum loops, learning workflow, and actually how to release music. I'll see you in another video. Are you looking for an easy way to learn how to actually make beats with FL Studio? Check out my FL Studio Beginners book. Just go to itsgratuitous.com/beginner.